Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this beautiful sideboard table. You can use this in a dining room, a living room, a bedroom. This is so gorgeous. I'm going to show you up close in a minute, but let's look at some of the features to start. These doors are sliding. This makes it ideal for a smaller space. You don't have to swing doors open. You have two shelves on the inside compartment and then one nice big shelf on the outside, or compartment I should say. Both sides open. And as you can see, both sides you have one tall space and then you have the shelves. It did take a little while to put together. It was not difficult. My husband put it together. Shout out to him for that. I am really loving this piece. So let's take a look close up and then in the room, but I'm already loving it. Okay, I just want to say again, I'm loving this sideboard table. It's the perfect size. It is 40 inches and it's nice and narrow, which I love. The doors slide beautifully. That shelf in the middle goes the entire way across. The other side of that door opens, as I showed you. And the shelf is adjustable, which is really, really nice. This is oak, and the exact dimensions are 15.75 by 40 by 29.5. And this is just so beautiful. I love the curved edges. It really makes it perfect in any room, especially if you have kids. Even for yourself, you're not going to catch like a hip on this walking around it. It has really nice storage capacity. And I love those high sides. So the shelves on the side, it's not really a shelf, it's just that opening on the side. Those are nice and tall, which is great. Perfect for storage. It is very stable and secure. You can attach this to your wall. It comes with a kit to do that. We did not do that in this room because it's against the wall, but you can do that. And it's really easy to assemble. Stay tuned until the end. My husband put it together and we're going to show you that. Very, very easy, but we are really loving this. It really just adds some interest to the room. So definitely check this one out. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in. It's not very big. I always recommend take all of the pieces out and get yourself organized. So this is how you start. And then you're going to place those pegs on the top. Then put the sides together. You can see you sort of have that T shape on the side. Going to screw some things in, slide the back panel on, and look at that. We are almost finished. There's a look at the back from another angle. Put the feet on. That's very easy. Look at that, looking really great. It's super sturdy. And then you are going to slide the doors on, and that's it. Love it.